Alrighty crew, let's go ahead and get into this warm-up. A warm-up, the goal is to increase the internal body temperature, lubricate the joints, get the blood flowing so we are in a state to perform. Doesn't have to be longer than 10-15 minutes. I've been pretty active during the day already, been getting some steps in, so a little warm-up. Cardio is not required. However, if you are pretty sedentary during the day, work a desk job perhaps, may have some utility in doing 10-15 minutes on the stair stepper or at an incline on treadmill. Again, just increase that body temperature, get the blood flowing. Now, what I like doing is using a band. I think this is like 5 to 15 pounds resistance, nothing crazy, just to get some rotator cuff work in, warm up those shoulders. I'll attach a band at about elbow height. Just wrap around, insert, pull through. Little internal and external rotation, focusing on keeping the elbow in the same spot. All right, after a little bit of band work, last step in the warm-up saga, pretty simple, is doing some warm-up sets leading into the first working set of your first exercise. For me, I will do the same movement. So for example, if it's a chest day, if I'm doing flat barbell press, I will warm up with 3 to 5 sets, depending on how heavy I'm going, with barbell bench press. However, we've got a pull day going here and I'm starting on weighted pull-ups. A little intense just to jump right into pull-ups for myself. I find if I'm cold or if I've only done a minor warm-up and jump right into pull-ups, I can irritate my elbows or my biceps a little bit. So instead, I'm just gonna be doing a medium grip lat pull down, 2 or 3 sets just to get the blood flowing to the lats, flowing to the back. It's a movement I connect very well with, feel the engagement very well. So gonna knock those out and then we're gonna jump into our first working set, weighted pull-ups. Let's get it. Also, pro tip, keep the hoodie on during the warm-up. This helps raise that internal body temperature a bit faster.